Happy 43rd wedding anniversary na ng Kentatang. Sapay kumatag adupay nga wedding anniversary sting kay maragpat nga duwa. Dahito nga sonata kit isagot ko kata kayo. We love you nanang Kentatang. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, oh let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, oh let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look and there runs Mary, hair of golden lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of golden lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want her near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me, my darling, let me go. No, we've gotta say goodbye for the summer. Darling, I promise you this, I'll send you all my love every day in a letter, sealed with a kiss. Yes, it's gonna be a cool, lonely summer, but I'll feel the emptiness. I'll send you all my dreams every day in a letter, sealed with a kiss. I'll see you in the sunlight, I'll hear your voice everywhere. I'll run to tenderly hold you, but darling, you won't be there. I don't wanna say goodbye for the summer. knowing the love we'll miss. Or let us make a pledge to meet in September. Sailed with a case, sailed with a case, sailed with a case. Again, Nanang and Tatang, happy 43rd wedding anniversary, and we love you so much.